lose some weight, I got a meal plan for you. Stick around. Why does it feel like I've been in a bear hive for like 4 or 5 days? This is the first time I've been outside in 4 or 5 days, guys. This is crazy. I'm about to go grocery shopping with my husband. I am still a little congested. I still have a minor cough, but cough is much better. The congestion is much better. I don't have that miserable feeling anymore. I do have to get used to being off on my feet, walking around though, because I've literally have been laid up in the bed. So this feels weird. So first stop is Trader Joe's. We actually went to Whole Foods as well, but I didn't record that entrance. And here's just a little video of me just admiring myself. Hello. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole coming back with another video. I have been down and out all week sick. Honey child, menopause done changed my immune system. My second cold in 6 weeks. What? Anyway, I am feeling much better. I still have a cough, still sound nasally or whatever, but I'm feeling so much better. I just got back from grocery shopping. And I have a meal plan that I want to share with you guys. I'm not going to have it all written up and all that. I'm just going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to take notes. Sorry, I just ran up the stairs. I tracked my food all week. And because I had this water weight that just like has been stuck on me for a couple months. And you know how I tell you my regular weight is 140? Well, I hadn't really seen that since January because I've been like 142 and then I go up to 144 because I gained some more water weight and then I get it back off and then go back to 142, 141 and a half. So anyway, I finally broke through that little whatever because I had to track this week. I tracked my food. And I lost all that water weight and I feel so much lighter now. Like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds made such a difference. Anyway, sorry I'm bending over like this because my tripod is down low. But I've been tracking my food because I just was like, okay, obviously I'm eating too much in terms of how much I'm burning. So I'm just maintaining this water weight instead. And I don't want to maintain it. I want it off. So I feel better. It was a long-term water weight. So it wasn't just from one weekend. Like it was like each water weight the last couple weekends I would lose that, right? But this water weight was still stuck from, I don't know, January. So anyway, I'm fresh now. I'm starting all over fresh. But I wanted to show you, I ate differently almost every day, but I was tracking my food, eating around the same amount of food, the same amount of calories. But this one particular meal, I feel like it's a doable meal to do. It's high raw, very, very high raw, more raw than anything, I think. So I think it would be a nice little meal plan for you to try and see if you can get off any water weight that's stuck on you or fat, maybe a pound of fat, because fat takes a little bit longer than water weight. Water weight comes off a lot quicker if it's recent water. My husband's coming in. If it's recent water weight, like if over the weekend you ate too much and then Monday you got back to whatever, it comes off quickly. But if you don't take care of it right away, or more events keep coming up and you keep adding on. So anyway, I want you guys to try it and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to unload the groceries, and I do want to say that I went grocery shopping today and I just really didn't want anything healthy. Like I really didn't. I go through this phase sometimes where my regular healthy food, I'm just like, I just want something, I need something different today. So I have, I'm gonna eat some of my friends' the Cube nice cream, and I'm gonna make some French fries today, but I'm gonna make it just from potatoes, so it won't be so, that'll help me get over this little feeling I'm having right now. I don't want any salads. I don't want any beans and rice. You know, I don't eat potatoes a lot, so I'm gonna cut them up into fries and air fry them and eat them like that. But anyway, yeah, but stick around because I'm gonna be showing you the meal plan at some point. Let me unload these groceries and I might take a walk, and then because it's my first time. It'll be my first time like going on a walk in like 4 or 5 days. I've been stuck in the house. So anyway, okay, see you in the next clip. Here's my weight as of today, March 7th, 140 exactly. And I said it's been since January since I've seen 140. It was like 140.6 or 140.8, but it was actually, I think it was in February sometime. But the point is, I had been carrying around a couple of pounds of water weight that just was not coming off, but I finally got it off. And so anyway, this is where we're at. And yeah, I was trying to give a tummy update, but my husband was talking to me. I was like, bruh, I'm trying to film a video. Get up out of here.
Was going like this. They told me to make sure I didn't have it on my ears because it gets loud. So it starts low so you don't hurt your ears. And they start going dee, 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 dee.
Are you asleep?
Yeah, last night.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to undress in front of you, but I was like, my stomach is not bad for a 51-year-old in menopause. And it's not like super, super flat. You know, I still got a little poochie, but it's not bad. And it was a lot thicker. But I lost some fat, as I mentioned. You can check out my fat loss playlist. I lost a lot of weight in my waist and stomach. Anyway, now for the meal plan. Take notes. You can eat the breakfast for breakfast, but the lunch and dinners you can eat when you want. You can eat the lunch for dinner or the dinner for lunch, whatever you decide. But anyway, the breakfast is going to be a cashew-based yogurt. You can get it from Whole Foods, Forager Project. They also have a cashew base at Trader Joe's. If you have a scale, weigh about 290 grams of it. If you don't have a scale, just maybe do a cup of it, and then do a half cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You're going to put 2 packets of stevia, mix it in, and then let it sit overnight, and then you'll eat it in the morning. You could have 3 small tangerines or 2 larger tangerines with it. Also, I put everything on the screen right here so you can screenshot it and take notes later. I'll be putting it on the screen for you. I decided to do that. Okay, I'm being nice. Anyway, for your next meal, it doesn't have to be this order, but this is one of the next meals. It is a quinoa salad. Okay, I'm going to put it on the screen of the ingredients. But first, I have something to say. Hey friends, if you're looking for support staying consistent with a high raw plant-based lifestyle, I created a private space where we can encourage each other along the journey. Welcome to Nicole's High Raw community. Inside, we share simple, high raw meals, support each other as we build consistency, and stay accountable together. Members also get access to my Shedding and Shine 4-week high raw meal plan, quarterly high raw challenges, and 2 to 3 live community calls each month where we can connect and ask questions. If you'd like support on your high raw journey, you're welcome to join. Thanks for listening. I hope you guys will join. I would love to have a community where we can all come together. So anyway, the link will be in the description. Okay, moving on with the meal plan. For lunch, we are going to have a quinoa salad, as I mentioned, but you can also eat it for dinner. It depends on when you want to eat it. I will put everything on the screen right here so I don't have to talk it through. Take note. Look at the screen. First of all, sorry about my beat up looking grapes. They were really good even though they look beat up. This is a suggested snack. You don't have to do this snack, but this is grapes and almonds, as you can see. So what I did was I ate about a cup of grapes, and then I like to wait about 5-10 minutes, and then I had almonds, dry roasted, unsalted, no salt. I had about 20 almonds. Okay, so total that the calories for that is about 225 calories. So if you don't want to have grapes and almonds for your snack, you can have a different snack, but it needs to be around 225 calories and no sodium, because this specific snack doesn't have any sodium. So it needs to match this. If you want to change it up, if you want to change the fruit or the nuts or whatever, just make sure it doesn't have any sodium and make sure it's around 225 calories so that you can stay on cue. If you don't want to have to deal with calories, then eat what I tell you. No. I'm mindful of the sodium when I'm planning the meals. You know, the salad had the seasoning, which has a lot of sodium, and this next meal, it has a lot of sodium depending on what protein powder you use, if you use it. So That's why I was, be careful with the sodium. But anyway, so this is one of your last meals. Now, you don't have to do it in the order. You could have this for the lunch. You could have the salad for dinner, whenever you want. So this is just 2 frozen bananas, 1 scoop of veg vanilla ice cream protein, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and then 1 cup of almond milk. Now, I know some people are not really into protein powders, and you don't have to have this. You could just eliminate the protein and maybe do 1 more frozen banana instead and just have a banana smoothie, or 2 frozen bananas and 1 cup of strawberries or 1 cup of blueberries. But if you are down to just stick with what I'm telling you, 1 scoop of protein. Now, it doesn't have to be veg protein, but it just needs to be equivalent in terms of no more than 160 calories per scoop. Okay. And it can't be more than 300 milligrams of sodium per scoop. And that's what this has, which is a lot. 300 milligrams of sodium is a lot. But again, we're looking at how much you're eating in a day. And I kept you guys under about 800 milligrams of sodium. And that's still good. So that's what that meal is. So again, don't let it be more than 300 milligrams per scoop of sodium. And don't let it be more than 160 calories per scoop. If you fall within that, you can use any other protein powders you want. If you don't want to do protein, just scratch it all, add 1 extra frozen banana and maybe 1 cup of strawberries or 1 cup of blueberries to help satiate you longer. Because with the protein powder and the 2 bananas, it satiates me when I'm at home, and it keeps me until the next morning. So, let me know if you have any trouble with that. But anyway, and you don't have to do maple syrup. You could do a tablespoon of honey or 2 packets of stevia. Stevia doesn't really have any calories. It might have like 2 to 4 calories. But, so that's one of your meals. Okay. Now, the good thing is, after all that I just showed you, you have 100 bonus calories to play with. So, I will also give you a bonus sodium amount. So you could do 150 milligrams of sodium and 100 more calories on anything you want. Anything you want, as long as it is within what I just said. Let me say it again. You have 100 calories and 150 milligrams of sodium bonus. So you can play with that how you want. You can add that 100 calories to your snack and make a bigger snack with something else. You can take that 150 milligrams of sodium and have a different snack. Do what you want. No, I'm just kidding. No, really though. Do what you want. This is how my Shedding and Shine program is. Like, there's 4 weeks I provide the meal plans, and 2 of those weeks I kind of give people a choice. I just tell them, make sure it's no more than this and and they stick with it and choose what they want. Which that program is part of the community I just created. You would get that meal plan because it would be included in the cost of being in the community. So you would get the meal plan, the 4-week meal plan, and all the other things that I talked about that would be included in that community. But the good thing is that this is kind of how I lost my weight, guys. Like, I have a structured way I eat during the week. The weekends, I'm a little bit more lenient, especially now that I've lost the fat. I'm a little bit more lenient on the weekends and stuff. But during the week, I still have a way I eat. And even if I give myself treats sometimes, like this particular meal plan, I said you guys have an extra 100 calories. So this is what I use my extra 100 calories on. I literally only took 3 bites of this. I had my friend's delicious cube salted caramel and ice cream. I literally only took 3 bites. I don't know if that's 100 calories. I'm pretty sure it's no more than 100, but that's, that particular day. And it was so delicious. Unfortunately, they closed down production, but they did really well over the years, and their ice cream is so delicious. Well, anyway, I just want to let you guys know that when I do sell my meal plans and stuff, it is written out. It is, you get attachments and things like that. This is just one of those like freebies that I'm just like sharing with you guys. That's why I didn't take the time to type it all up for you and put it in a format and all that kind of stuff. But at least I put it on the screen so you can at least screenshot it and then take notes. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you have any questions. And then also, I hope you join me in the new community, the High Raw community on School is the platform. The link is in the description. I literally just worked on it the last few days, so it's just been up since yesterday, and so far no one's joined. Oh, how happy it makes me feel as I'm over here crying. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, you guys, check it out. And then separately, I do still have my Shedding and Shine program or Shedding and Shine meal plan only. That's always going to be available. And then again, for this High Raw community, I am including that meal plan in or as part of the community, along with us going live together and being able to see each other on there and sharing every day in the chat and just holding each other accountable. And then also I would be putting on high raw or fitness challenges just to keep us all, accountable and just on our toes and stuff. So let me know, guys. I would love for you guys to join with me. Let's do this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you do this specific meal plan as well. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.